Hello, my macaronis. Today I'm going to make some Bluestar's Prophecy here. Some characters from Bluestar's Prophecy. Also, for accident, I have printed this Gray Seal Wikipedia page. This Gray Seal Wikipedia page I printed for accident about the Gray Seal. Just for accident, and today I'm going to make some Bluestar's Prophecy characters. Wait, let me disentangle the mouse. Because I saw my friend do this before. But with thrushpelt, because it's thrushpelt February. But that time is going to be different. I'm going to make some Bluestar's Prophecy characters. But first, can you please smash the like button and smack the subscribe button? This hard work characters will really help me, and this can give the world to me. Anyways, let's not waste any more of your time, macaronis. Let's go making our characters. The first character that we are doing is dappletail. No, I mean dappletail. I'll get her no more caliconiness cause she is too cute. Here that is the dappletail. Okie dokie, time for the next cat. The next cat that we are doing is adderfang. Adderfang was a ThunderClan warrior under Bluestar's leadership. Under Bluestar's leadership, it just looks like a ripoff of. It just looked like a ripoff of Bluestar. It just looked like a ripoff of Brambleclaw. It just looked like a ripoff of Brambleclaw.
We're going to add some stripes to him. We're still going to add some markings. We're still going to add some eye and under eye markings. Oh no.
Guys, the game crashed, but luckily I'm going to open it again. Guys, we're rejoining the server because, ouch, why did my phone fall for no reason? Okay, we're back to the game. We're back to the game. Hope it doesn't crash again. I still adding a fade in it because it just looks like more beautiful and intimidating. Also, I'm going to have this nose strip because it's going to become beautiful. Because he has a tabby, so I'm going to make him with stripes. Oops. Here it is, adderfang. He's so pretty. It just looks like camouflage when it's in the wood, a dark wood, or in the dark, just with bright yellow eyes. Did you know that he was made with swift breeze and she had kids twice? When he died, he was in Starkland with his mate and his kids, of course. It's so beautiful, him. I even added some things because it's to look like some adderfangs. Oh. Alright. The next cat that we are doing is Poppydawn. My friend has a cat that looks like her. I love Poppydawn because it's not accurate, but here it is how it looks like for y'all to see. Anyways, let's go to the morph. I'll just put a bit so I can see, y'all can see how the advance. Just put over here so y'all can see how I advance works.
red because it's of the wiki. But let's continue. It's like the wiki said, but let's continue.
I'm going to add a little fade on her. Let's go. It just looked like blood. It just literally looked like blood. But since she is only red, she could be confused that she just looked like that she is with blood. Actually, she is not with blood. She is red. Yes, she is a red little kitty. She is a red. Okay, Poppydawn deserves her crown. She is a queen. I love her. Everyone loves Poppydawn because she is. No, I mean my friend's cat.
Different.
Oh my gosh, these braid guys. Oh my gosh, these braid stripes are so beautiful, and this if you don't know the game pass of the stripes that I'm using, here it is. I got gifted by a random player, and I got gifted this pack because I really need it. Where's the braid stripes? Here. It was only 149 Robux to them gift.
These stripes are so beautiful.
Like, look how pretty they are. These stripes are not good for her. Oops. Oopsies. Where to make the inner darker? Oh my gosh, it just look like eyes. Does it look like, but they are just look like stripes? On her. Also, she is described with a gray muzzle because of she is an elder. Also, she is an elder, so we are making another. Well, I have 5 seconds to y'all guess which is the last cat that I'm going to do in this video. Well, you're mostly wrong, unless you guessed thrushpelt. Yeah, my friend did a morph before, but that time is different. Many people think that thrushpelt has long fur and a mane. Actually, he don't have. He has sleek fur, very sleek fur, and a chest that look like that his chest is puffy, just like a cloud. And he has a white flash on his chest. But I'm doing him like a thrush. He just will look like a thrush according to my art because it looks like this. Well, that's the art reference that I'm using for him. Also, I joined thrushpelt because it's thrushpelt February, and all the years, like every year, it's thrushpelt February on February because he is the most loved character because he was kind to Bluestar. However, he died from an unknown illness, most likely green cough, I know, according to one of my death arts that you see in Reddit. Anyways, he was attempting to become mates and friends with Bluestar, even cleaning her nest, even though she wasn't seeing it. That means that he was trying to be mates with her. However, everything changed when she likely chose Orakart as her mate, and thrushpelt was heartbroken about that. And when he died, the clan cats saw that he was the father of the kids. Anyways, let's go to the morph. Guys, I have to put my AI voice because I cannot tell his full history because I'm tired of saying all of his history, but here it is.
Thrushpelt was a noble ThunderClan warrior, known for his sandy grey fur and heart of gold. His history is defined by unrequited love for Bluefur. When she became pregnant with Oakheart's half-clan kits, Thrushpelt offered to pretend he was the father to protect her from exile. He loved the kits as his own until their disappearance. He died a hero, never revealing the secret.
Yeah, macaronis, thank you so much for watching. See y'all in the next video.